Tens of thousands of SDG&E customers found themselves without power tonight in the middle of our heat wave. Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Carlo Cicchetto. Barbara Lee will join us in a moment. The state's independent system operator ordered SDG&E to carry out rotating outages as the excessive heat continues to drive up our electricity usage throughout the region. News 8's Richard Allen has more on the warning to all customers to conserve and why we may not have seen the last of these outages.
Well, that's right. These rotating power outages impacted nearly 59,000 SDG&E customers, including, we're told, this Walmart behind me here. And while power is now restored and the outages are complete for this evening, they could possibly return tomorrow.
This is the first time this has been done in over a decade.
An exceedingly rare move by the California Independent System Operator, the overseer of the state's power grid, directing SDG&E Friday evening to enact rotating hour-long power outages throughout its service area, spanning from Dana Point in southern Orange County all the way to the border. Areas prone to high fire danger, though, were not impacted.
We are doing this to prevent a major blackout.
This comes as a result of the excessive heat driving up electricity use throughout our region, especially as most San Diegans are now at home during the COVID pandemic.
We are encouraging you to conserve your energy usage so that way we can prevent more outages from happening.
As long as it's safe, SDG&E is recommending turning off your AC during this emergency, while also cutting down on your use of dishwashers, washing machines, and dryers as much as possible. Keep your fridge and freezer doors closed and switch off any lights you don't need. Advice to keep in mind as these hot temperatures continue throughout the weekend and into next week. And be forewarned.
There is a good chance that this could possibly happen tomorrow.
And to see if your neighborhood may be impacted by these rotating power outages this weekend, SDG&E has information posted online. For a link to that, just go to cbsa.com and click on the help button. Carlo and Barbara Lee.
Well, an excessive heat warning is in effect for much of California.